as you can see, I've got it wired up to my Apple IIgs, and I'm running Choplifter. And you can see I can go up, down, left, right. How can I press the buttons in camera? There we go. Can shoot, flip around, and so on. Oh, that was close. Doing this left-handed. I am not good at this left-handed. Alright, whoa, and I did. And here it is running on my Laser 128. So I'm in the joystick calibration program that comes with the total replay image running on an A2 Pico. Anyway, you can see as I move left, up, right, you know, so on. I've noticed this with my physical joystick too. Sometimes when I go in the lower left corner, it jumps to the top. So that's kind of weird. But anyway, it works. As you can see, the button presses, read. And here it is working with my Nintendo Switch Pro controller, whatever it's called. Up, right, left, upper right corner, upper left corner. You can see the button presses and everything working there too. And here I am playing Choplifter with my Nintendo Switch controller on my Laser 128. Ooh. So as you can see, it's pretty responsive, works well. You can have very pretty fine control over it. Whoa. So there you go. Uh-oh. Sorry, guys. Ooh. All right, that's it.